Good evening. Welcome to Delight classes organized by Chris Kringle Academy. So, we are in continuation with narration, and today's topic is related to change in pronouns. Today's topic is related to change in pronouns. Pronouns of the first and second person. Pronouns of the first and second person while changing into indirect speech becomes the third person. Pronouns of first and second person in direct speech changes into third person while changing it into indirect speech, like I, you of singular form, my or your changes into he, she, his, her. I, you of singular form, my, your changes into he, she, his or her. We and you of plural form, are or you are and your changes into they or their. We, you of plural form, are or you are and your changes into they or their. T-H-E-Y they and T-H-E-I-R they. So, let's understand it with the help of examples. Direct speech, Raj said, comma, Raj said, comma, in inverted commas, I am ill. I am ill. In indirect speech, it will become Raj said, comma removed, inverted comma removed, connective added, that. Raj said that. Now, I is the first person in direct speech and it will change into third person, he. Why he? Why not she? Because the reporting verb is Raj, which is a masculine gender or male. That is why I of reported speech while changing into indirect will become he. Raj said, comma, in inverted commas, I am ill. In indirect speech it will become Raj said that he was ill. First person is changed into third person. We have written he because Raj is a male, and instead of is changes into was, as we have earlier studied. Present tense changes into past tense. So the sentence becomes Raj said that he was ill. Second sentence, direct speech, he said, comma, in inverted commas, my pen is lost. He said, comma, in inverted commas, my pen is lost. In indirect speech, it will become he said, comma removed, inverted comma removed, that is added as a corrective. He said that my के place पर आ जाएगा his, because the speaker he is a male. My के जगह पर आएगा his. Instead of my, we will use his over here. He said that his pen was lost. Only two changes mainly are done in reported speech, and that changes are my is changed into his and is changed into was. Sentence number 3, direct speech. Anuj said to the beggar. Anuj said to the beggar, comma, inverted commas, I know you. I know you. K-N-O-W, no. I know you. So in indirect speech it will become Anuj told the beggar. Dear students, pay attention. Said to changes into told. Said to can change into told, or you can write said to only. It's better to write told but not told to. Not told to but only told. Said to changes into told, not told to. So Anuj said to the beggar, comma, in inverted commas, I know you. And in indirect speech, Anuj said to change into told, comma removed, inverted comma removed, and Anuj told the beggar. Now we will not make use of corrective over here. Anuj told the beggar that. We have added that after beggar. अनुज टोल्ड के बाद हमने beggar को नहीं that को नहीं ऐड किया है. कहाँ पे ऐड करना है? आफ्टर beggar. अनुज told the beggar that he knew him. K-N-O-W will change into past tense. Knew, K-N-E-W, knew. Anuj told the beggar that he knew him. Next sentence, Rama said to the girl. Rama said to the girl, comma, inverted commas, I know you and your aunt. I know you and your aunt. In indirect speech, again, Rama said to can be changed into told. So, you can write Rama said to, or you can write told. Rama told the girl that. I की जगह पर हो जाएगा she, because Rama is a female. Rama told the girl that she. No will change into knew. She knew her, because her is used for the girl to whom Rama is speaking. Rama told the girl that she knew her and her aunt. Rama told the girl that she knew her and her aunt. Next sentence. I said to the boys, comma, in inverted commas, you should do your duty. You should do your duty. Now in indirect speech, I told the boys, said to change into told. I told the boys that they should do their duty. If it would have been shall over here, shall will change into should, but should will remain the same. अगर इस सेंटेंस में shall होता डायरेक्ट स्पीच में, तो shall को इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में चेंज करते समय हम should में चेंज करते हैं, लेकिन डायरेक्ट स्पीच में should दिया है, हम उसको as it is कॉपी कर देते हैं. I told the boys that you की जगह पर हो जाएगा they, because we have already studied you changes into they. That they should do their duty. So these were changes in pronouns. Now one more rule. In the reported speech, the words showing nearness are changed into words showing distance. The words showing nearness are changed into words showing distance when we change the reported speech of direct speech into indirect speech. Now becomes then. Now becomes then. This becomes that. These, those. Here, there. Come, go. Today becomes that day. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Yesterday, the previous day. Last night, the previous night. Ago changes into before. So this is a rule, and on this rule we are going to practice some sentences in our new video, in our next video. Once again, now becomes then, this becomes that, these becomes those, here, there, come, go, today, that day, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the previous day, last night, the previous night, and ago changes into before. So, dear students, see you all again in the next video. Till then, goodbye, good night, share and subscribe the channel.